Good evening and welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but we're back at it. As you can see, I'm working on the vertical stabilizer, repairing some bad rivets that I have done. And I'm using a new camera that my wife got me, a GoPro 8. So far I've only been playing with the Timelapse, as you see here. But I seem to like it. Got a lot to learn about it. We'll delve more into that as we go. But as you can see, I'm drilling out some bad rivets before I completely close out the vertical stabilizer. What I'm doing there is center punching, and I know I need to get a better center punch set up. I've been told I need to get a prick punch, and then I believe it's a 35 or 32 degree ground punch that matches the tip of a drill. And I've got those slated to be ordered, and I haven't got them yet. But working on getting these bad rivets drilled out, and I'm just doing the drilling out tonight. I'll get around to probably tomorrow, I hope, actually setting new rivets in there. Got a new rivet set as well, swivel head with the rubber cup around the outside should help, especially as a solo builder. And we'll see about getting those rivets driven and get that vertical stabilizer closed out and over to the hanger for storage. You can kind of see in the background there, got some plywood up on the walls, got some insulation in there, and the building is a little bit more quiet. I've got a new job and I'm working nights, so I tend to sleep during the day much, and been cutting into build time, and I've been trying to insulate and soundproof the shop as much as possible so that I can work at night some. I'm going to actually see how much driving rivets makes noise into at least my house, and based on that I'll plan out further evening build sessions. But as you can see here, just taking my time drilling, trying to drill these out. And there's the missus in the back, she's heading off to bed. But just working on getting these drilled out nice and slow. It looks a lot faster in the video than it is. This is probably about an hour and a half session maybe, and that one gave me some issues. I drilled all the way through, but the shop head still didn't want to let go, so marked it there for an oops rivet, -4 shank on a -3 head, I believe it is. Cleco's there just to support the flange underneath so it didn't get bent, and just continuing to work on. One technique there is to run the drill by hand so you don't over drill more easily to control it. Switching over to the number 30 to drill out there was 2 of them for oops, and then of course we want to deburr it. Try to keep things as nice and neat as possible. Almost forgot these last few rivets here, but saw them before I closed up for the night and went ahead and got them taken care of. At any rate, just a quick video. I know it's been a minute, so I wanted to get something out to you. I've also got a video coming from a little bit of the insulation work I've done in the background there, and getting that edited and going to try to do a nice voiceover with it. But anyway, nice talking to you guys. We'll see you on the next one.